Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. In today's video we are going to talk about the camera. Okay, how we can add a camera and set it up and rotate it and put it in a place that we want. Okay, and show the things that we want. Okay, so right now I'm going to create a cube so we can know where to record, or I mean where to add a camera. For example, I will shift A and add a camera. Okay, and I will press, there's my camera, and I'll press G and X for rotating. Okay, like this, and GZ going up. And what can I do is that I can go to the camera by pressing this, and pressing by this it will go out. We have a shortcut for this. It is 0, numpad 0. Okay, not the upper 0 but the right 0 then on the numpad. Okay, so what can we do? That is that we can go out from it by scrolling the middle and put it 0. We can change it, and we can select it. For example, if I select it, we have something like this called the lens or the camera properties. Okay, or object data properties. For example, I want to see the cube. I want to see the cube, for example. But first of all, I can show you something else. We can scale this. It will not make the view bigger because it's just scaling to see it, not making it scaled bigger to see everything or many things. We are just scaling to see the camera. Okay, nothing will change, and we can rotate it in Z axis and press 0. We have something like this. Okay, so I want to go down. What we can do that is that we can go to the object data properties and put something like this. Put the y-axis, change the y-axis, and you can change it. Okay, like this, or change the focal length. You see, but the 50, I prefer the 50, and make this 0, 0. Now I'll tell you how to change the camera without playing with this. We will press shift tab this. Okay, and you can see something like this. It is, I'll show you on the screen here, which is shift and tab and this accent grave. It's called accent grave. Okay, shift tab accent grave. Okay, like this we can change it, and we are going to camera and pressing 0 and shift tab accent grave, and I can change it, and I use S letter as going back, and A as going left, and D as going right, and W to go near or to go to the front, like this. And I'm using Q to go down and E to go up. You see, E, Q for going down. You see, something like this. Now I will left click it and it will be located here. You see, we didn't change anything from here, and this is it. You see, and what we will do is that we want, for example, we want to render this. Okay, so we will go to the render and render the image like this. This is the cube. Why it is not very shiny, or we don't have light? Because we didn't put light. Okay, so late in the upcoming lessons we will talk about light, and for the shortcut for render we will press F12 like this. Okay, another thing is that we want to add another camera. Okay, let's add another camera here and go to here, or let's put it in itself and press 0. It will go to camera camera 1, not camera 2. You see, it is going to camera 1. Why? Because it is added to the properties that when we press 0, it will go to the first one. How to solve this is to go to the scene. This is the scene properties. We will delete this and we will add camera 1. Right now it's camera 1. I'm in it, camera 1. Okay, let's shift tab accent grave and go out from it, and this is our second camera, which is named camera 0.1. When I go to the properties, it's camera 0.1. You see, like this. Let's go out, and this is our camera. For example, if I want to change the properties of camera of first camera, we will go to here and select camera 00. You see, this is camera 00. And for example, camera 0, we don't have camera 0, but this is camera 001, and this is camera. Okay, this is camera. You see, and for example, if I want, I'll press 0. If I want to make it the camera, front camera, it's camera. Okay, like this we can render our scenes. Okay, and this is the video how to add camera and to know about it. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.